name's Timothy. I'm from the United States, near Philadelphia, and I am a recent graduate from the master's program in product design here at the Politecnico di Milano. And I also had the opportunity to participate in Alta Scuola Politecnica. Number one, Politecnico has an excellent program in design. But in addition, I really wanted to have an experience that was very different from my previous degree. And studying in Milan really opened up my perspective to Europe and to the culture here. I was really surprised to see all the different dimensions of Milan. I remember going to Design Week in April and seeing every major designer represented here, big product launches, big events, parties, and I was surprised and impressed, frankly, at just how lively Milan is. It's a small town, but at times it feels like the center of the world. When you come to study at Politecnico, your classroom extends beyond this building. The whole city is your classroom, frankly. Here at the School of Design, there are a series of different laboratories where you can work with your hands. Throughout my experience here in the master's program, I often came to the laboratory to work with my teammates, to build models or to experiment with materials. I, for one, love working with my hands and was able to come here many times throughout the master's program to realize prototypes or to experiment with materials. While studying in Milan, I had the opportunity to work with a team at the Alta Scuola Politecnica, and we developed a new process to 3D print on stretched textiles to generate unusual undulating forms. And I also worked on that research. I developed that research throughout my thesis project here in the School of Design. It's up to you as a student to decide what you want to use, what you want to explore, who you want to work with. I think one of the differences between an American university and a state university like Politecnico di Milano, the students here are challenged to find their own path. It may feel crazy to move so far away from home, away from family and friends, but very quickly at Politecnico, new groups are formed, new friendships are made, and I felt very welcomed here by my Italian friends and a number of other international students. They were experiencing the same thing that I was. In one of my groups, there were 7 students, a Russian, Iranian, Armenian, Ukrainian, me, the American, and 2 Italians. And we would sit around and sometimes it felt like the United Nations. If you make the move here, enroll in a program, I think there's a lot you can gain. All those challenges you go through to come to a place like this, they're worth it, because in the end, it's really an incredible experience.